Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to hide communities from your inbox on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to declutter your inbox and focus on the conversations that matter most to you. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to hide those pesky community notifications. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before we begin. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a little speech bubble or chat icon. Give it a click to open up your messages. Now that you're in your inbox, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Communities section. This is where all your Facebook groups and communities are listed. Next, browse through your Communities list and find the one you want to hide from your inbox. Maybe it's a group that's a bit too chatty, or perhaps you're just taking a break from certain discussions. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. Once you've located the community you want to hide, look for the 3 dots next to its name. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them, and a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Hide from Inbox. This is exactly what we're looking for. Click on this option and voila! The community will disappear from your inbox faster than you can say Facebook update. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a community from your Facebook inbox. Remember, you can always unhide the community later if you change your mind. Just head back to the Communities section and look for the Hidden tab to manage your hidden groups. This simple trick can really help streamline your Facebook experience and keep your inbox clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.